Please,
Good afternoon,
please
sir.
sit.
Thank you, sir.
Your good name?
Devalata, sir.
Speak loud. Your good name?
Chukkala Devalata, sir.
Chukkala Devalata. Yeah. Could you please introduce about your self, Lata?
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you so much,
Speak
sir.
loud. Yeah.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Devalata, and I am from Karnool, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in BCom with a specialization computer application. After that, I completed my post graduation in 2022. Regarding my technical qualification, I underwent 4 months of intensive training in software testing with a real-time project called Adapting, which is online hotel booking portal at Nareshai Technology in Hyderabad. Apart from, as part of the training, I learned and practiced understanding requirement specification, test to planning, test to designing, identifying test scenarios, writing test cases, executing test cases, and bug reporting, and preparing test closure documents. And that's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Acha. Lata, like you have knowledge on WebDriver and automation also, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between object and class?
Object is a to create an object for to execute the run class.
Sorry, could you repeat again?
Object
What is the
create
difference between method, object, and class?
method in method is in class, within the class. Method is within the class.
Okay.
Object is within the package.
Okay. Why? What is exactly functionality of method, class, and object?
The functionality of class is to execute the programs.
Okay.
Method is to call the
To call the. Do you know or not?
yes, sir. I forgot.
Okay. Cool. So how many? Like, could you please explain about the hooks concepts?
Oops. One is there are four types. Four, sir. One is polymorphism, abstraction,
What is that? Polymorphism.
polymorphism,
Pori.
poly,
Polymorphism. Okay.
abstraction, interface, and encapsulation.
Okay. Could you please explain about all?
Abstraction is to hide the classes. Implementation hiding. mm, Hiding the implementation and executing the process.
Okay.
Polymorphism is multiple classes to create
Multiple classes.
and execute.
Are you sure or you are telling something? If you know the answer, you can tell. If you don't know the answer, don't tell wrong words
Okay,
to the interviewer.
okay,
Okay. If you know the answer, if you have the confidence, you can tell. At that time, interviewer also have good impression on you.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. What is how many types of locators are available in the automation?
Permission.
Do you know or not?
Repeat, sir. Question.
How many types of locators are available in the automation?
I don't.
Do you know or not?
I don't know.
So why you are mentioned WebDriver, TextNG, these all these things?
I forgot, sir. Actually.
Huh?
Actually, I forgot, sir.
You forgot.
Yes.
Okay. Like good knowledge, like testing framework TextNG. How many types of annotations are available in the TextNG? This is also your forget.
Actually,
Okay, cool. So what is the smoke testing?
smoke testing is a entry level testing the basic functionality of the testing, which is not. We are checking the stable bill is stable or unstable. It is called also confidence testing to give a confidence for further testing.
Confidence.
Confidence like sanity testing.
What is the difference between smoke and sanity?
Yes, sir. Smoke testing is done by the tester and developer also. Sanity testing done by the only testers. Smoke testing done build is stable or not, to know about the build is stable or not.
Very good.
Sanity testing after build is stable we will done, sir. We will test, sir. Build which is a build stable.
What is beta?
Beta is end users can test, sir.
What is alpha?
Alpha is also end users and testers also done.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What is gamma?
Gamma, I don't know, sir.
What is the ECP?
Let's see. E- I don't know, sir.
But where did you train?
Equivalence class partition.
Where you trained? In the
Managed
math.
IT, sir.
Like you don't know, like you are mentioning all this automation knowledge, but you are not mentioning the automation. Please focus on that.
Yes.
Okay? And what do you know about the database?
Database test. Yes, sir. I know about the database testing. Database testing is a decision definition. DML.
What is the SQL abbreviation? What is the BRS abbreviation?
I don't know, sir.
What is the FRS abbreviation? What is the CRD abbreviation? Who will do unit testing?
Unit testing.
Yeah.
Unit testing done by the developers, sir.
How many types of environments do we have? So what is the difference between delete, truncate, and drop?
Okay. Delete is we will delete the table columns.
Could you please tell me about the select syntax?
Select the syntax. Select.
Again, you are forgot.
Sir,
Right?
actually, this is my first interview. Sir.
Very good, no problem. You are telling good, right? I like your confidence.
Okay.
Whatever I'm asking, you are giving some answer, right? That was awesome. This is your first interview, right? In your life.
Yes, sir.
This is the first interview.
Yes.
Don't worry. Feel free to talk.
Yes.
But whenever you are talking something in front of the interviewer, speak only you know the answer. If you know the answer, you can talk. If you don't know the answer, sir, I'm unable to telling. At the moment, I can't remember. You use these words. Okay, your way of explanation, your way of telling is super.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, but in the resume, you are mentioned project and all these things, right?
Yes.
If you don't know the project, you don't mention. If you don't know the text entry, you don't mention. Okay, you are mentioning lot of unwanted data. You don't know the anything, but you are mentioning here. So interviewer only focusing on something. If I will give you one example, interviewer only focusing on manual testing. Okay, you have only manual testing resume. At the time you are selected. Interviewer have only select the manual, but you are mentioning automation. Interview focus is changing to the automation. I want to know about you, how much you know. But automation you don't know. But my vacancy is the manual, but you are not telling the automation. At that time I am not confident about you. Why? Because you are not telling the automation. I'm thinking like this girl not suitable for manual also. Why? Because she is not telling. That's why whatever you know, that words only you can mention here. If you don't know the answer, you don't tell, you don't mention on the resume. Okay, like what is the difference between epic, scenario, and user story and defect?
Epics is a collection of user stories.
Very good.
User story is a one module.
Very good.
And next, sir,
Test case.
test case. Test case to what to be test.
What is the meaning of test case?
Test case means how to be test. Particular module or like any functionality like this.
Okay. Like defect and bug.
Defect is a first of all bug. Bug is a deviation between expected results and actual results. This is called bug. Defect is a functionality functional testing.
Try. Keep trying.
Okay, sir. Functionality of the application, sir, which is not match expected results.
What is the difference between error? What is the meaning
Yes,
of
sir.
error? Who will find out the error?
Developer, sir.
Very good. Where exactly find out the errors?
In internal logic methods.
Yes, in the coding,
Yes,
right?
sir, yes.
Very good. So what is the meaning of STLC?
STLC stands for Software Testing Lifecycle. It is a part of SDLC. Uh, STLC sequence of different activities done by the testing team, and
Okay, cool. What is the meaning? How did you raise the bug? Where did you raise the bug?
yes, sir. Developer, tester, if if expected results not matching to actual results, developer can raise the bug. Tester can raise the bug.
Okay, you are also mentioning invalid project name. Please change here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and this one also please change.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one more time you can give mock with us. No problem. Please improve. I will give some tips to you, right? You can
Yes.
take the tips as a positive.
Okay, sir.
You can focusing on the tips.
Okay,
Then you can come to the second round of interview again.
okay, sir.
Okay, so you like every fail you can take as a success step.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now, what is your strength and weakness, Lata?
My strength is I'm a self-motivated, sir.
Okay.
And my weakness is I'm not able to speak some in new persons.
Achha, you're talking now?
Actually,
Huh? You're talking now?
it is necessary, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, if you have the necessary person at the time only you need to talk, right?
Yes.
If an unnecessary person you don't talk, right?
I'm a little bit fierce, sir.
Fear. You're getting fear, right?
Yes, sir.
But whenever while I'm taking 10 minutes of interview, I'm not getting. I didn't thought about the fear. You're telling something.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you don't tell I got fear, I have fear, because in your face, please maintain whenever you're telling something, please maintain smile on your face.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like do you have any queries now?
Experience, sir?
Do you have any queries now?
No, sir.
Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. We will get back to you soon.
Feedback, sir. My interview is how is
Yeah, that thing only. Your interview is good. Please improve your communication.
okay, sir.
Please try to understand what exactly other people are telling to you.
Okay, sir.
What exactly other people are telling to you, and please change the resume.
Okay, sir.
If you know the topic, that thing only you can mention it.
Okay.
If you don't know anything, don't mention.
Okay, sir.
Okay, each and every line interviewer is watching. First line, second line, third line. Okay, I'm asking this all these things. First lines only I'm asking. You didn't telling, right? So please change the resume.
Okay, sir.
Your confidence is alike, but you in the call you don't mention I don't know, I forgot. You don't mention like
Okay,
this.
sir.
Try to tell something related to the topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, do you have any queries now?
No, sir.
Chalo, okay. Thank you. We will get back to you.